Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vicky. Happy birthday, Sky. Happy birthday, Krishna Moran. May God continue to bless you and guide you. More birthdays to come. Sana makalaag ko diha or kamo makalaag ka rin. Char ko po. See you soon. Ciao! Buon compleanno! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, Spy.
Happy birthday, bye.
More birthdays to come and God bless you
God
always. Happy birthday, Vicky. Ingat din na. God bless. Love you.
Hi GL, happiest birthday.
Happy birthday, bye.
Amping mo dira permente. We missed you both. Ingat mo, love you, love, 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 love. Happy birthday lang ni Richie, ni Rocco og ni Roxy. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat mo dira permente daw ha.
Happy birthday, Spy.
What's up, Spike? Happy big 4-0.
What? 4-0 na?
Yeah.
Happy 40th. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, te. More birthdays to come. Good health always. And amping mo karmi ni Rochelle diha. Happy birthday.
Hi, Krishna.
Hi, Krishna.
Happy 40th birthday.
Happy 40th birthday.
Hope you enjoy your new life in Finland with your mahal.
Lovely Finland. It looks beautiful there.
I know. I hope that's one of our bucket list. I hope we can go there next year.
Too bad we're not there celebrating with you.
Yeah, we wish that we're there with you.
Hope you have a great birthday and a wonderful year. Maybe we'll see you next year.
Yep.
Or this year even, if you go to Spain.
So enjoy your life. Enjoy your birthday. It's a special birthday that was given to you by Langing. So happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Don't eat too much.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday ta. Man, kumusta man ka diha? Katrabaho na ba ka? Pag-amping-amping po diha, kay layo na ra ba mo? Layo pod mi dire. Nga pagkuan jud mo sa inyo ang kaugalingon diha, pag-ayo-ayo.
Krishna, happy birthday. How young are you now? Huh? Happy birthday. At sabi ni Eden, mga 40 ka na daw. Garon, gabit yun sa ako, si Wilden. Happy birthday, Krishna. Kumusta sa Rosel? Okay? Sige na.
Birthday. Tattoo. Sige na again. Happy.
No.
Happy.
No. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Spike. Happy birthday